हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल राकेश आर्या इजी टू वे। तो हम जानेंगे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आने वाले कुछ सवाल और उनके जवाबों के बारे में। वीडियो को आगे देखने से पहले दोस्तों, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल बटन दबा दीजिए, जिससे कि आपको हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी सबसे पहले मिल सके। हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ हायंग डायनेस्टी? योर ऑप्शन इज ए अजातशत्रु, बी हर्षवर्धन, सी बिंबिसार, डी घनानंद। द आंसर इज सी बिंबिसार। Initially, the capital was Rajgraha. Later, it was shifted to Patliputra, near the present-day Patna in India. The founder of this dynasty was Bimbisar himself. According to the Buddhist text, the Mahamsa Bimbisar was untamed king by his father at the age of 15. The revolutionary like Ashfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Roshan Singh and Rajendra Lahori were all associated with. Your option is A. The Kakori Conspiracy Case 1925, B. 1857 Revolt, C. Chori Chora Case, D. The Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. The answer is A. The Kakori Conspiracy Case 1925. The Kakori Conspiracy Case or Kakori train robbery or Kakori case was a train robbery that took place between Kakori and Lucknow on August 1925 during the Indian independence movement against the British Indian government. The robbery was organized by Hindustan Republican Association (HRA). The Mohpla rebellion in 1921 in Malabar was Muslim president's rebellion against. Your option is A. Muslim landholders, B. The British government authority, C. The non-tribal outsiders, D. Hindu landholders. The answer is D. Hindu landholders. Hindu landholders, the Malabar Rebellion, also known as the Mohpla Rebellion and Mahipla Lehla in Malayalam, was an armed uprising in 1921 against British authority in the Malabar region of Authority India by Mahfils and the culmination of a series of Mahipla revolts that recreate through the 19th century and early 20th century. The question number 4 is the Rowlatt Act was passed in. Your option is A. 1905, B. 1913, C. 1919, D. 1925. The answer is C. 1919. The Anarchical and Revolutionary Crime Act of 1990, popularly known as the Rowlatt Act or Black Act, was a legislative act passed by the Imperial Legislative Council in Delhi on 10th March 1919, indefinitely extending the emergency measures of preventing indefinite detention, incredential without trial and judicial review, enacted in the Defense of India Act 1915 during the First World War. Fifth question is Mahatma Gandhi launched Kheda Satyagraha on Gujarat in 1918 to support the cause of. So your option is A. Mill owners, B. Landlords, C. The peasants, D. Coal rebellion. So your answer is C. The peasants. The Kheda Satyagraha of 1918 in the Kheda district of Gujarat, India, during the period of British Raj, was a satyagraha movement organized by Mohandas Gandhi. It was major revolt in the Indian independence movement. It was the third satyagraha movement after Champaran Satyagraha and Ahmedabad mill strike. Gandhi organized this movement to support peasants of the Kheda district. People of Kheda were unable to pay the high tax levied by the British due to crop failure. So sixth question is the East India Association was set up in. Your option is 1866, B. 1857, C. 1836, D. 1885. The answer is A. 1866. The East India Association was founded by Dadabhai Naoroji in 1866 in collaboration with Indians and retired British officials in London. It superseded the London Indian Society and was a platform for discussing matters and ideas about Indian and to provide representation for Indians to the government. So, 7th question is, who established the Hindu Dharm Sangharshini Sabha in the year 1893 by? Your option is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, C. Dayanand Saraswati, D. Damodar and Bal Krishna Chapekar. The answer is D. Damodar and Bal Krishna Chapekar. Two brothers Damodar and Balkrishna Chapekar began the process of revolutionary activities in India. They formed the Hindu Dharm Sangharshini Sabha in 1893 and started celebrating the birthday of Shivji and Ganesh Utsav. 8th question is, Vande Mataram was a series of articles published in the year 1907 by? So your option is A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Shri Aurobindo Ghosh, C. Damodar Chapekar, D. Bal Krishna Chapekar. So answer is B. Shri Aurobindo Ghosh. Vande Mataram was a series of articles published in the year 1907 by the Shri Aurobindo Ghosh, who was admired as Tempestant's Hindu in 1893, is the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago. Your option is Swami Dayanand Saraswati, B. Ravindranath Tagore, C. Gautam Buddha, D. Swami Vivekanand. The answer is D. Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand represents India and Hinduism at the Parliament of the World's Religions. This was the first World Parliament of Religions and it was held from 11 to 27 September 1893. So 10th question is, who were associated with Indian League established in 1875 in Calcutta? Your option is A. Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Aurobindo Ghosh, B. Kali Mohan Das and Aurobindo Ghosh, C. Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Shambhu Charan Mukherjee, D. None of these. So answer is C. Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Shambhu Charan Mukherjee. Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Shambhu Charan Mukherjee were associated with Indian League established in 1875 in Calcutta. Question number 11 is, who called Subhash Chandra Bose as Desh Nayak? Your option is A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Ravindranath Tagore, C. Mohandas Gandhi, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So answer is B. Ravindranath Tagore. Ravindranath Tagore called Subhash Chandra Bose as Desh Nayak. The question number 12 is, the prominent leaders of India Association, which was established in Bengal in July 26, 1876 were? Your option is A. Anand Mohan Bose and Surendra Nath Banerjee, B. Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Kali Mohan Das, C. Kali Mohan Das and Shambhu Chandra Mukherjee, D. Shambhu Chandra Mukherjee and Yogesh Chandra Dutt. So answer is A. Anand Mohan Bose and Surendra Nath Banerjee. The Reform Association functioned on July 26, 1876, established a Bharat Sabha with Bengali leaders like Surendra Nath Banerjee, Shivnath Shastri, Anand Mohan Bose, etc. and held its first annual conference in Calcutta. Initially under Senate was pro-crown. Question number 13 is, who called Government Indian Act 1935 a charter of slavery? Your option is A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So answer is D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru called Government India Act 1935 a charter of slavery? So question number 14 is the Indian National Congress passed Quit India Revolution Act. Your option is A. Varda Session 1942, B. Bombay Session 1934, C. Tripura Session 1939, D. Ramgarh Session 1940. So answer is A. Varda Session 1942. On 8th August 1942, at the All India Congress Committee session in Bombay, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi launched the Quit India movement. The next day, Gandhi, Nehru and many other leaders of the Indian National Congress were arrested by the British government. The 15th question is Wavell Plan, essentially dealing with Indian demand of self-rule and reconstitution of Vicarial Council was forth by Lord Wavell in. Your option is A. 1935, B. 1942, C. 1945, D. 1943. So answer is C. 1945. Wavell Plan Association dealing with Indian demand of self-rule and reconstitution of Vicarious Council was put forth by Lord Wavell in 1945.
इसी तरह की महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी तथा मुफ्त कंप्यूटर शिक्षा के लिए हमारे चैनल राकेश आर्या एजुके को सब्सक्राइब करें। प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर द लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स।